Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Vibe channel. If your JVC Smart TV screen turns on but stays dark, or you only hear sound without any picture, this video is for you. Today, we'll guide you step by step to fix the JVC Smart TV backlight problem, easily and safely at home. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'll also share some pro tips to prevent this issue in the future. Step 1. Understanding the problem. Let's start with a quick understanding. When your JVC Smart TV powers on, but the screen looks completely black, even though the power light and sound are working, it's usually a backlight issue. The backlight is a set of LED lights behind your TV screen that illuminates the display. If these LEDs or the backlight power supply fail, the picture becomes invisible. To confirm this, take a flashlight or your phone's torch. Shine it closely at the TV screen. If you can faintly see images or menu options, then yes, the backlight is faulty. Step 2. Checking power supply and cables before opening the TV. Start with basic checks. Unplug your JVC Smart TV completely from the wall socket. Wait for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Next, check your power cable and make sure it's not loose or damaged. Also, inspect the input connections, like HDMI or USB, to ensure there's no short circuit causing the backlight to fail. Sometimes, a simple power reset can restore the LED driver function and bring your backlight back to life. Step 3. Inspecting the backlight strips. If the screen remains dark, the issue likely lies inside. At this point, you'll need to open the back panel of your TV, only if you're comfortable doing so. Inside, you'll find the power board, main board, and LED backlight strips. Visually check for any burn marks, puffed capacitors, or disconnected LED connectors. If you see dark spots or burnt sections on the backlight strips, they must be replaced. You can purchase JVC-compatible LED backlight strips online or at a TV repair store. Always disconnect the power before handling any internal parts. Step 4. Replacing the faulty LEDs. Once you've identified the damaged backlight strips, carefully remove them using a screwdriver and plastic prying tools. Install the new LED strips in the same order and secure them properly. After replacing, reconnect all cables and reassemble the TV panel gently. Now, plug in your TV and turn it on. The screen should light up beautifully again. If the picture appears but goes dark again, the LED driver board might need replacement. In that case, contact a certified JVC service center. Step 5. Preventive maintenance tips to avoid future backlight issues. Always use a surge protector for your TV. Don't keep brightness at 100% all the time. Lower it to around 70 to 80%. Avoid leaving the TV on for long hours unattended. Keep your TV in a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating. With these tips, your JVC Smart TV backlight can last for years without trouble. And that's it for today's tutorial. If this guide helped you fix your JVC TV backlight issue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.